Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more home, holiday event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a Kate Spade inspired wedding centerpiece and setup. Here we go. Today I'm going to be making a Kate Spade inspired wedding centerpiece, which has been highly requested by some of you guys, so I'm listening. But to tell you the truth, it wasn't a hard pick for me because anyone who knows me knows I love Kate Spade. Love her because she's different, you know, and I love anything that's different. I'm different. You should know by now. So I'm very excited to make this. All right, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is put my base together, which is going to consist of a bowl, a salad plate, and 2 taper candle holders. And I'm going to be putting it together or gluing it together with 527 multi-purpose glue and hot glue. But this is only for the purpose of putting this together quickly in front of you guys. But the correct way for you guys to do this will be to only use 527 glue alone, which bonds in 5 minutes, or E6000, but E6000 takes 24 hours to bond, which in my opinion is the best glue, because if you're going to be making this vase for your event, you don't want it to fall apart in the middle of your event. So E6000 is your best bet. So I'm going to turn this plate over, and then I'm going to grab my taper candle holder, and I'm going to add 527 glue to one side of the candle holder, and then I'm going to add a little more glue to the opposite side, and then on this side and the opposite. So, you know, almost like a cross. Well, it is a cross. And then I'm going to add hot glue to the areas where I didn't apply the 527 glue. And then I'm going to center it right on top of the back of the plate. And then I'm going to do the same to the back of the candle holder. I'm going to add, oh, wrong glue. Then you're gonna center it, but do not push down on the glue. Let it just sit there, because if you push it down, it's gonna be a little crooked. So just let it, you know, settle on its own. And then you're gonna do the same process right on top of the candle holder. Very nice. Now I'm gonna go ahead and paint it black. And here it is. I love it. It looks like $1,000,000, doesn't it? So pretty. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start with my floral arrangement. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut my floral foam a bit so it can fit inside the bowl or my vase, my very nice vase. I'm going to use hot glue to keep it in place. I'm going to start with white hydrangeas from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cut them about 3 inches long, and I'm going to use them to cover up the foam. Next, I'm going to be adding these beautiful pink roses, which is the signature color of Kate Spade. These are from Hobby Lobby, and these are actually my favorite flowers from them because they come in a bouquet. And there's a bunch of them there. You see that? And the quality, very, very nice. These are actually $12.99 original price, where they're always at 50% off. So I paid around $6.50 for them. And I'm going to be cutting them about 6 inches long because I want them to hang off the vase. going to add this beautiful spring bouquet from Michaels. This one has a combination of light pink roses, pink peonies, and pink hydrangeas. And this, I think, are supposed to be baby's breath, and it has a bit of greenery. So I thought it was perfect for this arrangement. This was a little bit more pricier. This was $19.99 per bouquet, but it was also 50% off. So I ended up paying $10, which at the same time is not so bad for the combination of flowers I'm getting. I separated all the flowers, and I'm going to start with the pink hydrangeas. Some of them come with the greenery, which I love. I'm going to place these on top of the white hydrangeas. Next, I'm going to add the pink peonies. There were only 3 in the bouquet. I'm going to add the pink roses to the back of the arrangement. You know what? I'm going to move this peony to the back and add this rose to the front, and that way it will look well proportioned. I'm going to add the rest of the pink roses I purchased from Hobby Lobby. After a bit of nip and tucking, as I call it, this is what I have so far. For a final touch, I'm going to add a couple of greenery stems from Hobby Lobby. It doesn't have a name, but these were 50% off of $5.99, and they are very pretty and very high quality. I'm going to cut off some of the greenery with my wire cutters because it's just way too long. So you're actually able to use one stem for both sides. And here's the final arrangement. I'm going to use white acrylic paint to make polka dots on my black chargers. These chargers I got from Michaels. They were $1.19 each. Okay, I'm going to stop while I'm ahead because you can get carried away. So yeah, so you're just gonna randomly make the polka dots, and this is it. I got this awesome glitter paper from Michaels for $1.99. I loved it because it was black polka dots with glitter. And I'm going to grab the paper from the frame to be my template, and I'm going to cut a piece of it, or this piece right here, so it can be in the background for my table number. To place my table number on the glass, I'm going to use a #1 stencil and a metallic silver paint marker. I'm going to place it right on top. Well, I'm actually gonna turn it over because I want the number to be in the inside, or the marker to be in the inside, so it'll be neater in the outside. So in order for you to do that, you have to turn the stencil over. This is it. This is my Kate Spade inspired wedding centerpiece, and some of the items I'm going to be using for this setup. As you can see, I decided to make the vase a little bit more vintage, and that's because I wanted it to be a little bit more elegant for a wedding instead of a bridal shower, although you can also use this for a bridal shower as well. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do it right now. Hit that button right now. Also, leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of my centerpiece. I love to hear your feedback, and if you have any requests for me, leave it in the comments below as well. All right, guys, until next time, bye.